everyone! Ngayon, mag-skimcoatan itong rock wall namin dito sa likod ko. Gamit itong paint roller at saka itong glass wiper. Na parang pintura. Ayan siya ng para siyang pintura. Ala po. Ayan. Para siyang pintura. Yeah. Hello guys, ito na yung wall ng kapitbahay namin na in-skimcoat natin using our paint roller and the window wiper. Now let's make our wall a little bit with the design of like a textured wall. Now we have to scrape all the rough textured on the wall using our scraper, and I also use the sandpaper so it will feel like smooth wall with a look of like a textured wall or a rough wall. That's the design I choose to make our wall look like a textured wall. So now we have to clean all the dust and then paint it with our paint, of course, the one that we chose. This video is only the part 1 of my DIY wall textured. this is all for the part 1 of my DIY textured wall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're updated on my next video.